How to watch 4K on Disney Plus. The first thing you want to do is you need to subscribe to their platform. You can either download it through your mobile application or through the web browser. Just type in disneyplus.com. Now, once you subscribe to the platform, you need to create a profile, which something look like this. Alright, so according to their platform, you can create up to 7 profiles. The ones you choose on a profile that you want to use, you'll be routed to this page. Now to check for video quality, you need to go to the app settings and then click video quality. Now it will actually depend on the TV that you're using, a TV or monitor, if it supports 4K. So if it only supports a 1080p, then you're only allowed to use 1080p quality. You need to have at least 4K resolution or quality on your television. So that's how you watch Disney Plus movies in 4K.